Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be testing out this Casio Gz'one. It's an Android durable phone. Tried charging it. Shows I got a battery symbol, fully charged. It still refuses to turn on. It'll vibrate. So I'm not sure what the problem is with it. But we're going to drop test it. I'm going to go back, waist tight. 3, 2, 1. Imagining this thing should be pretty good, to be honest. So a few marks there. Being a durable phone, it shouldn't have any problems. We'll go corner drop, waist height. 3, 2, 1. You can see the few marks there. Pretty good so far. Face drop. And 3, 2, 1. Did pretty good. A few more marks around the display, but overall pretty decent shape. We'll go back drop, head height, in 3, 2, 1. Here she is. A few marks there. Nothing too bad. We're gonna go corner. 3, 2, 1. So from the corner drop, a few more marks. Other than that, still looks pretty good. I'm really wondering if this is going to be one of the face down survivors. So 3, 2, 1. And there we go. We're going to do another one just to make sure. We'll go even as high as I can reach. 3, 2, 1. And it survived. So we'll go ahead and just take it and we'll toss it in the air and see what happens. Here we go. Looks like the battery came out, the back cover came off. Pretty expected, to be honest, though. Screen did not crack, so that's always a good sign. Looks like it just hit right there in the corner. Toss it up and we'll do like a spin on it, see if we can get it to land it on the screen. There we go. That one shattered. I could see it from here. So shattered the whole bottom half of the display. Not bad though, to be honest. I'm going to just do a skid on the back as well. So it's like a plastic, some scratches here. Some up at the top. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.